It's all about humanity.
I will tell you what the pikin tell us before he die. He say he no play any ball, he no fall safe. Senior students wey be these boys wey he mention, they walk into the room for the hostel. As they enter, light dey on, nobody in there, other children sef dey. As they enter, they put up the light. Now they start to the beat am. First they use belt, take the whip am. He fall from the bed. They start to the master with leg, kick am, stand on the waist until at the end they come put something for him mouth. Nobody know what they put for him mouth. The boy himself say he no know, but they put something for him mouth. And every time when they talk, look my mouth, look at my mouth dey pain me, this road dey pain me, my throat, my chest, my back, my waist, my belle, the belle. Now so the boy shout see. So that since he don't talk, say they beat him, they match him. We come and go do X-ray and scan. So the scan say blood quick come out later on Monday. Me, I dey Asaba. That's okay. I go rush come. I don't call Ogara Teaching Hospital. The doctors there, 2 doctors. They say make we quick come. They wait for emergency ward. They wait for us. So, but before I'm from Asaba to reach Warri, that Tuesday, the boy don't die. The mouth don't peel, finish. So, if you see the pictures, you go know say that don't be ordinary peeling. Now the chemical way they give and drink, 9 pill amount. They say liver, the scan so say liver don't swell up for inside. So, then swollen back, swollen head, side, chest, all those things. I waited the scan talk. But when all the scan and go to the specialist hospital before he die. He said the boys then be 5 wey enter the room, but now 3 he mention, they be senior, that's him talk. So when they bring those boys, make they question them, make the school come tell us what happened. Then if na ball the person they play, now only one person they play ball, make they bring the people who follow the boy play the ball. Make they bring the arts masters who supervise the children when they play ball. The boy don't talk say na in room in there. Make they bring him mates wey dey inside room with him. When they beat him, they mash him. My pikin now, today he don't die. He na sacrifice. Now he bring out the secret say this kind of thing dey exist. So if parents will get that kind of pikin, not talk put, no problem. But me as a father and my family, we go talk put. Make my pikin get justice. Make they bring those boys. I want the truth. Now what I want from the government, what I want from the school. The school, academically, then try. My children will finish from the school. All of them do well. Now I make they carry pikin, they go to the school. Will they pay plenty money now? You go pay plenty money, go kill your own pikin. Money where we pay, now I kill my pikin. Because we feel say academic they try, but administratively they fail. They not try at all. I go leave children for one place. No master they supervise them. Even if they fight die, nobody go fit up say these children they fight die. CCTV camera self, they say they not get. Which kind of school be that? All these millions where would they pay? See, that's justice me I want. You see, if the school come say the truth, I get anything against the school. Not me they send children to go beat, but there's no way the school authorities, arts masters, go say they not know say bad boys in that school. They're not go talk because other parents too, by the grace of God, go cry out the harassment and bullying. By the grace of God, they go cry out. And also say they don't want to let this my pikin. Not because my pikin die, other ones go quiet and not sure. And they say I'm online. My children say they call me, they tell me. See, parents they cry. Other people say they cry out. Lawyers too they cry out. That's justice I want. What did the Lagos State government do? Now the best thing they do. I like them. May they not put the school until my pikin get justice.
son I picked from school. Now, when I came that day, I took him inside the car. I had to beg a boy who talks like parrot to tell me what he's going through in school. He now told me that because he wishes the principal in the person of Ndidi changing from GSS1 to SS what? Talk, SS what? SS1 and 2 hostels. And when you got there, what were they doing to you? Talk.
They were removing my boxers.
You did not eat to this morning in school?
Yes.
What happened?
Because when I got the food as everything, everybody has gone to pack their bags.
Everybody has gone to pack their bags.
Yes.
Before now, after they remove you from the hostels, your hostel to senior hostels, and brought you back, who was beating you now? And who, to speak of Mr. Wu? And who again?
Mr.
Will flog you. When you go to eat, what does he do to you?
He starts saying, where's my food? And you now say, go and wear your body now. You're wearing something that's not good. When I come back, I now say that food has finished.
And when food finishes, do you complain that there's no food for you to eat?
Yes.
What do they say when you complain? So, as we speak now, till I pick you now, you have not eaten. You have not eaten, eh? And when you talk, they will say they will wound you. You shouldn't tell your parents. Because you were weak in your class, they took you to senior classes, Abi. And what does the seniors do to you? Talk. Don't be afraid, you're at home. All the threats can't work now, you're at home.
They remove my boxers. They now say, they now put my boxers, they remove it. And I tell them to dig me, all the seniors to just force me.
Whoever is joining me live this evening, here is my son. This is his first time leaving home to school. He has never left home before to school. This is his first time leaving home to school. 2 months ago, he went to school. He went to school a very healthy boy. I can show his picture when he went to school. He went to school as a chubby boy. I had a dream barely a month where I saw my son. He would just look at me. If I want to look at him, he will turn his face. If I want to look at him, he will turn his face. If I want to look at him, he will turn his face. In that dream, I rushed to the school. They told me that all protocols, the protocol does not allow me to see. But I had a terrible dream. And it's his first time coming to Deeper Life High School, Idoro Road. I want to see him. I had a terrible dream. They refused. After much, they brought him out. He wasn't looking this worst. I asked, why is he looking like this? I noticed that the boy was living in fear because he's a boy that talks everything. He talks too much. Please, whoever is watching this video should help me share it until he gets to the right appropriate authorities. It's not easy to muzzle one out together and send a child to school only for the child to return as a skeleton. Look at all his bones. Look at all his bones. This is a chubby striker. I will show his picture when he left for school. As he came back now, I will show his picture. He has been throwing up greenish things. I have videoed him. I will send his picture. Nigerians, please come to my aid. I never knew Deeper Life was strictly for Deeper Life member. I am not a member, but I paid my dues for my child to go to their school. So that day I went after the dream, and I discovered, and I was told that I told them that I would like to have to talk to my son one-on-one. That I wouldn't want to leave this thing this way. I would like to talk to him one-on-one. I took my son into the car. He was afraid. I said, talk to me. He said, if he talk to me, that they will kill him. I said, in a school environment, who will kill you? Talk to me. I am your mother. Here is the boy the first day he went to school. Here is the boy the first day he went to Deeper Life High School. Here is the boy the first day he entered school. Here is him, and here is him now. I want the whole world to see my son. The first day he went to Deeper Life High School. I'm not saying that school shouldn't make you lose weight, but not to this extent. Look at him right now. Here is my son. As I speak now, he's running temperature. We have poured water on him and everything. Here is he when he went to Deeper Life High School. Let me show you where I picked him up, while he was throwing up. My son has been throwing up. I just picked him up from Deeper Life High School. I never knew it's only for members. Look at what my son looks like. Everything fully paid. Look at what my son turned out to be. He looks like, I don't know, a skeleton. This boy is a chubby striker. He's a chubby boy. Look at what he's looking like right now. I pick him from school. Look at what he's vomiting. In Deeper Life High School, talk, let the whole world hear. They will remove your boxers and do what?
They will remove my boxers. They will not say Rabbi. They now say no. All the seniors will not force me.
They will not force you and push their. They will be pushing their legs, their hands into his anus. And when you threaten to report, what did they say to you?
They said that if I report that, they're going to kill me.
Talk loud, let the whole world hear.
That if I report to principal, my mom, they're going to kill me.
They are going to kill you. And there's a principal in that school, a boy that came in as a chubby boy. You saw him looking like a skeleton. A principal in that school, whatever, did not talk until I had a dream where I saw my son turning and was a kind of waving me goodbye. I told my husband I had to go to the school, that this dream is not right. He said, let's pray. I said, prayers are not enough. I had to go to school and see what is happening. I got there, this boy confessed this to me. The principal gave me her word that I should leave him to write his exams, that it will not happen again, that they will return him back to GSS 1 ward. And they took him to the SS3 ward because the teachers were not around. People who have children in boarding school don't know what the children go through. They have made them swallow whom they are. Boarding school of these days is not like boarding school of those days, that somebody should intimidate somebody and walk away with it. Today now I went to pick my son from school. All his anus are bad. Look at the bones. Let me show pictures again of what it looks like before he went to school. He has been throwing up. He can hardly sit down. His anus are paining him. And the school is telling me that I should wait. I should not do anything. That they will come and visit me at home. Even if they come and visit me, I will still make it a live video until it gets to the appropriate authorities. It's not easy after court where above $500,000 and pay for school fee. And the child will come out to become a victim of what I don't know. My child is afraid to open up to me. Even when I've told him that he's not going back to Deeper Life High School, my child is afraid to open up to me what has happened. He is afraid that they will kill him. This is his first day in school. Nigeria, see his first day in school. Here is he. Look at his face. Look at him. This is his first day in school. Does this person look like a victim of one sickness? This is him. Thank God I took him picture with other people. This is his first day in school, and look at what I have after 2 months. Deeper Life High School is not for those who are not Deeper Life members, so don't be deceived. Your children cannot talk. Look at what I got back after giving Kumuyi all my money. Look at what I got. I went there today. Teachers want to fight me. I have the video. I will send the video online. Teachers wants to fight me. Teachers wants to fight me. Teachers wants to fight me. When I went there, it took me almost 1 hour before my son came out. It took me almost 1 hour before my son came out. I was like, what is happening? Every other person have picked their children, and I saw something on his body. I asked him, what is this? Lumu, take your hands up. He said it's boil. That he had boil. He had
Papa bite.
Papa's what? Bite. And it turned to boil. They never called me. They never informed me. He's running serious temperature now. He has been throwing up, and they told him, what drug did they give you this morning?
They gave me Blood tonic.
They gave you blood tonic because you are going home today. God punished Deeper Life High School. They gave you blood tonic because you are going home today. That's when they remember to give you blood tonic. Help me post this. Help me post this to whoever is concerned. Let them see. I'm taking him to hospital. I will keep every Nigerian updated until my son gets his sanity back. I can show you his anus. For SS3 students to be forcing his anus. Look at a child that sent to school, 11 years old. 11 years old, came back with a broken anus. Deeper Life High School in Oro Road. Uyo. Look at him. A skeleton. I am not that hungry. I am not that hungry. And what did they say that made them not to give you afternoon food?
They said I should go back and wear cutting.
No, that you said them. They said your parents did not pay for what? Say it loud. Parents did not pay for midday meal. That's a lie. I paid in full. I paid in full. If there's one thing my husband does not joke with, is school fee. I paid in full. I paid everything in full. I owe school no dime. All the food you eat, all the drugs you take, I pay. Even your choppers and whatever. I still send money day before yesterday. They told me your chopper was finished. That you using buying things in school. I transferred money there yesterday. Why would they be blackmailing children and be telling them that their parents have not paid up to date? That's why they won't give them food. Look at what I sent to school. How? Look at him. Then, when I came back, they took you back to JSS1. Who asked them seniors to take you and go and be beating you? Say it loud. Mr. Joseph, tell students to take you, seniors, beat you in their hostel and bring back. In this dispensation, Deeper Life High School in Oro Road. In this dispensation, Kumuyi. In this dispensation, that is not those days. A child came to school and seniors will take him and go and bully him. A whole principal does not know what happens in our school. When I told her this boy has done this morning, he said, Jesus, she's shocked to hear that. Principal of a school, representing such a school, does not know what happens in school. Help me share until he gets to Kumuyi. If he cannot know me one-on-one, he has my money with him. And my money has not expired in his hand. I have right to talk to him. I am his client. Help me share this video until he gets to Kumuyi. Help me share this video. I just picked my son from school. I picked a skeleton. I took a chubby striker to school. I came back with a skeleton. Right now, I'm taking him to the hospital. He has been throwing up. Let me show Nigerians once more. He has been throwing up, coughing, stooling. He cannot pull from his anus. He cannot pull from his anus. We cannot cover this. We cannot cover this. Deeper Life High School in Oro Road. Uyo, we cannot keep quiet. We cannot cover this. I cannot cover it. I cannot keep quiet. I cannot keep quiet. Here is